Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you beautiful natural hairstyle. It's really nice, simple and nice. I'm not bring just only natural hairstyle, but I bring for you even the braids, cornrows. So guys, if it's your first time to find my channel, please subscribe, comment and click the bell if you look something like about hairstyle for kids. So I'm just here to share different hairstyle for kids and even the lady. I share different hairstyle, cornrows, braids. So if you want to get notification, don't forget to click the bell. If I post any video, you're going to get notification. And I want to thank you to watch this video and to subscribe my channel. God bless you more. So if you're looking something good for your kid, you're going to find it here. Just I bring for you different hairstyle for kids, cornrows and natural hair. And I want to tell you something. I still share different hairstyle, and if you want to get notification or to know about what I posted, you're going to click the bell, subscribe, so that you can get any notification if I post a video. So guys, this is really nice. This is cornrows and braids. It's really nice for your kids. Even this, it's really nice and so beautiful. And the same thing, I bring for you simple things for your kids. Look at this one. It's really nice and beautiful. I bring for you from 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, even 12 year. You can braid this hair. It's really nice. It makes her comfortable, and the same thing, she can look good if you decided to choose here your style. So like this one, it's really nice. It's really nice and so beautiful. This is her hair style. This is her hair actually with beads. So it depends what you do, what you should like to plait on your baby's hair. But just don't forget, if it's your first time to see my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I want to thank everyone who subscribed my channel. God bless you more. God bless you. Just so look at this one. It's really simple and so beautiful and easy. It's really simple. You can see it's really simple and so beautiful. Look at this. This is cornrows. Even this cornrows, but really nice and so beautiful. Isn't it, guys? It's really nice and so beautiful. I hope you're going to like this video. You're going to like the hairstyle I bring for you. So I'm not making this video for me, but I make video for you guys so that you can find something. You can find any style you should like to play. So if you didn't watch this video, that means it's not make sense. Okay guys, so I want to thank you. I want to appreciate you guys. So look at this. This is really nice and so beautiful. Look at this. This is so beautiful. So you're going to look at this one. It's really nice and so beautiful. I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and you're going to watch this video up to end so that you can find this is braids so that you can find any style you should like to use on your baby's hair. Look at this one. It's really simple and so beautiful. It's really simple and so beautiful. So guys, enjoy the video up to end, and I hope you're going to find beautiful and nice hairstyle for your kids or for your beautiful baby.